A friend has asked, "My mind is constantly wandering here and there, don't know where to go." No need to go anywhere. Wherever you are, be there completely. Non-settling of the mind on anything is good. This shows that awareness towards the mind is on the rise. When we are unaware of the mind, even then it is working. But as our sensitivity grows, we begin to wake towards the mind. Then we suddenly realize that mind is not staying on anything, and the more we try to take it to something, the more the problem increases. You don't have to fight with it, nor do you have to run away from it. First, you need to discard all presumptions and all previously accumulated information regarding the mind. Howsoever you are, you become as if you are sitting on the bank of a river, distant and aloof, and allow the mind to flow. Don't even think about attaching it to something. It won't stay, for that is its nature. But as you continue to watch its flow uninvolved, you begin to turn within, to your center, towards the source, that is ultimate stillness. If it is possible, go to a river bank, if it is close by, and try out this experiment. A deep silence will descend within you with ease. Accept completely whatever is. Don't struggle with the present moment, and don't try to change anything. Whatever is there, live through it completely. Always remember that this moment is like this because the entire existence wants it this way. Hence, be open to the mystery of existence and don't struggle with your mind. Let it be, accept it totally, and total acceptance of the mind in all its colors is the transcendence of mind.